And I haven't even got into hydrogen has shown a lot of research, one of the biggest research areas on improving athletic performance. So we talk
Hmm.
about exercise, and this is one of the coolest things about hydrogen. And when I talked about how it isn't an antioxidant and it isn't an anti-inflammatory, that's great for exercise because you don't want to take antioxidants or anti-inflammatories in conjunction with exercise. It blunts the hypertrophy gains. But with hydrogen, though, because it's regulating, our inflammatory response, and it's regulating the redox status within the cell. Some cool research has been done with rodents in forced swim tests. Basically, you'll have like one group of rodents that are just doing the forced swim, and one group of rodents that get hydrogen plus the forced swim. Hydrogen group actually sees a higher spike in oxidative stress and inflammation than the just swimming group, but they return to homeostasis faster. Meaning, basically, it's as if the hydrogen group worked out harder but recovered quicker. So that's really profound, and that's why we've seen so many pro athletes turn to, you know, molecular hydrogen therapy, and we've seen so much research showing it improves performance. And with exercise, it's shown to have an anti-fatigue effect, so you can exercise for longer as well. Uh, then simultaneously, they say we'll measure the redox status of cells, people after several days of intensive exercise, and the hydrogen group is healthier. It's recovered them from the stress faster. So it's not blunting the gains from exercise, it's actually potentiating them, but then you're recovering from that stress faster.
Do you know when they administered hydrogen in that study that showed that the I think not the last one you mentioned, but the one prior to that?
I believe it was just before exercise.
Okay.
And I know most of the human clinical trials, it's anywhere from, 60 to 5 minutes before exercise is when they'll administer. I anecdotally suggest taking it about 10 minutes before.
Okay.
Um, Two reasons. One, the protective effects of hydrogen can last for up to 24 hours after you take it. However, the improvements in brain metabolism seems to only last a few hours,
Mm.
right? So you want to take the H2 close to when you're exercising. Uh, Otherwise, you might not get the full benefits of the energy and brain metabolism.